Had this thing for a few years. Never tried this before. But when you're stuck eating chicken night after night after night, you gotta try different things. So this first time I'm trying this rotisserie function. And we'll see what this does to my chicken, which has already come loose a little bit from the holders. Yeah, we'll see how it does. What the heck. Been in there for about 20 minutes. Well, this is looking pretty good. It's dripping real good, which is what I was hoping for, because when I bake them, they're coming out too oily or greasy or whatever. So I like seeing all that dripping. That was the idea behind this, actually. Well, apparently it timed out while I was watching the Disney parade. So let's see what we got here. I'm gonna start it up again so we can see it rotate. Hard to see though, because the heat things aren't up. But that looks pretty good, I think. We'll see how it is. Let it cool down for a little while. Okay, there it is on the rotisserie rack, and that's looking pretty good, I think. Evenly cooked all around, and yeah, this chicken was frozen, that's why the bone turns black. A little trick I learned, that's how you know if a chicken's been frozen. When you cook it, the bones turn black. So we pull that off. I'm going to set this aside while I get this ready. First bit of good news, the skin is definitely crispier than when I bake it. So that's good. Salt, of course, and now we'll do the taste test. Good skin. There you go. Good. That's what I've been trying to get with my chicken. That's it. Rotisserie is good. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, rotisserie works. Happy day to you.